What if I told you that walking might actually be harming your heart after age 60? Stop everything you're doing right now, because what I'm about to reveal could literally save your life. Leading cardiac surgeons are now warning that walking alone isn't protecting older adults the way we once thought, and for some people it's actually creating more problems than solutions. If you're over 60 and dealing with joint pain, swollen legs, or that exhausted feeling after just a few steps, this isn't your fault. You've been following outdated advice that doesn't work for aging bodies. Today I'm sharing 5 revolutionary alternatives that top heart surgeons are now recommending instead of traditional walking routines. These aren't complicated gym exercises or expensive equipment purchases. These are simple movements you can do right from your living room chair that will boost your circulation, strengthen your cardiovascular system, and give you more energy than you've felt in years. And the best part? You can start seeing results within days, not months. Here's what's really happening inside your body when you can't walk like you used to. Your blood starts pooling in your legs. Your heart works overtime, trying to pump against gravity, and dangerous clots can form without warning. But there's a solution that doesn't involve forcing yourself through painful walks or expensive medical treatments. Let me introduce you to the first game-changing alternative: chair-based ankle circles and foot flexes. Sitting comfortably in any chair, simply rotate your ankles in slow circles, then flex your feet up and down. This tiny movement activates those crucial calf muscles and gets your blood flowing immediately. You can do this while watching television, reading, or even during phone calls. Within minutes, you'll feel warmth returning to your feet and that heavy, tired feeling starting to lift. This sounds almost too simple to work, but here's the science behind it. Your calf muscles act like a second heart, pumping blood back up to your main heart with every contraction. When you're sitting all day, this natural pump shuts down, forcing your heart to work twice as hard. The second alternative that's shocking cardiologists everywhere is wall push-ups. Before you think this is too difficult, let me explain why this is actually perfect for older adults. Unlike floor push-ups that strain your back and knees, wall push-ups let you control exactly how much effort you're putting in while still getting incredible cardiovascular benefits. Stand about arm's length from any sturdy wall, place your palms flat against it at shoulder height, and gently push your body toward the wall and back. This movement engages your chest, arms, and core muscles, improving circulation in your upper body where many seniors feel tightness and poor blood flow. Start with just 5 repetitions and gradually build up as you feel stronger. The third alternative addresses one of the biggest circulation problems for people over 60: seated leg extensions. When you're sitting for long periods, blood pools in your lower legs, creating swelling and that uncomfortable heavy feeling. Simple leg lifts while seated activate your largest muscle groups and get that stagnant blood moving back toward your heart. Sit up straight in your chair and slowly lift one leg until it's parallel to the floor. Hold for 3 seconds, then lower it down. Switch to the other leg and repeat. This movement strengthens your quadriceps muscles while creating a pumping action that helps your cardiovascular system work more efficiently. You'll notice less swelling in your ankles and more energy throughout the day. Now here's where I need you to do something important. If you're finding this information helpful and you want to see more content like this, please hit that subscribe and like buttons. Your support helps us continue creating videos that can genuinely improve your health and quality of life. And if you have a topic in mind for the next video, drop it in the comments. The fourth alternative might surprise you because it focuses on something you probably never thought about for heart health: grip strength exercises. Recent medical research shows that hand grip strength is one of the strongest predictors of overall cardiovascular health and longevity. When you regularly squeeze and release your hands, you're actually training tiny blood vessels throughout your arms and improving your body's ability to regulate blood pressure. You don't need expensive equipment for this. A simple stress ball, tennis ball, or even just making fists with your hands will work perfectly. Squeeze firmly for 5 seconds, then release and relax for 5 seconds. Repeat this pattern for 2 minutes at a time, several times throughout the day. Many people are amazed at how this simple exercise improves their energy levels and makes their heart feel stronger. The fifth and final alternative is what I call seated marching. This exercise mimics the natural walking motion while eliminating the stress on your joints and the risk of losing your balance. Sitting tall in your chair, simply lift one knee toward your chest, lower it down, then lift the other knee. Continue this alternating pattern as if you're marching in place while seated. This movement activates your hip flexors, engages your core muscles, and creates the same cardiovascular benefits as walking without the joint pain or fatigue. You can adjust the speed and intensity based on how you're feeling that day, making it perfect for people with varying energy levels and mobility limitations. What makes these 5 alternatives so revolutionary is that they work with your body's natural aging process instead of fighting against it. Traditional exercise advice tells older adults to push through pain and discomfort, but these movements respect your body's current limitations while still providing powerful health benefits. I've seen remarkable transformations from people who switch from forced walking routines to these gentle alternatives. Better sleep, reduced swelling, improved mood, and most importantly, renewed confidence in their body's abilities. These aren't just exercises. They're a pathway back to feeling strong and capable regardless of your current fitness level. Start with just one of these exercises today. Pick the one that feels most comfortable and commit to doing it for 5 minutes. Tomorrow, try another one. Within a week, you'll likely notice improvements in your energy, circulation, and overall sense of well-being that walking alone never provided. Your heart health journey doesn't end when walking becomes difficult. It just begins a new, more thoughtful chapter where gentle movement creates powerful results. Thank you for watching. Stay strong and healthy. See you in next video.